What's up guys, Technobo here for Troubleshoot, and today I'll be showing you how to get back to the original Dota 2 AutoChess mod for Dota 2 if you're not liking the new Dota Underlord standalone game that they have. Me and a lot of people have tried out that new Underlords game and I'm not liking it anywhere near as much as I like the original Dota 2 mod. So if you want to have it installed and you're not sure how exactly right now, or you want to play it, simply follow along with these instructions. First of all, open up your Dota 2 and then head across to the Arcade tab at the very top. Then when you're here, head to the Browse tab just below and find Dota 2 AutoChess. It should be somewhere near the top. If you don't see Dota AutoChess, in the top right is a search bar. Click on it and then find the Install button in the bottom right. And once it's done downloading and installing, you should see a new button like this. From here you can pick the game mode that you'd like to play or leave it as is. Then you can simply hit the Play Dota AutoChess button and you'll be queued for a lobby immediately. In the future, when you want to play this game, simply start up Dota, head to the Arcade tab, and then head to the Library tab. From here, you should see Dota AutoChess somewhere near the beginning, but if you're like me and you have a ton of mods installed, then you might want to hit the little star next to it and click Show Favorites Only. If your list is still too long, you can of course search for it in the top right, Dota AutoChess, click on it when it pops up, and then queue for a lobby here. Anyways, I hope this helps you out. My name has been Technobo here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you guys next time. Ciao.